Okay, making a list, checking it twice this time of year is stressful as we scramble to find the right holiday gifts for loved ones. But guess what? Help is on the way. Christine Lusita is a food and fitness industry expert joining me right now to talk about last-minute gift ideas for the food lovers in your life. Okay, everybody seems to be a foodie nowadays, even 2-year-old on TikTok. But first, let's talk about the decor around your kitchen and ideas that you have for those hosting gatherings. What's a festive and easy way to make a home more holiday ready?
Exactly. Good morning. How are you? First of all, this is for the green thumb lovers in your life. This is Norfolk's Island Pine by Costa Farms. It's holiday by nature, but an evergreen, so you can decorate it for the holiday with ornaments. And then when your holiday is over, it is the perfect addition to your home or your office. And I love it. What I love most is that this is long lasting. Okay, so even for those of us who are not a green thumb, myself included, you essentially cannot kill this. And it's so beautiful, and it's perfect for the holiday table or a buffet table. And you can find it on Costa Farms or on Amazon.
Easy, easy, easy. And again, it probably smells amazing too.
It does. I've had this actually for 3 months, and look, it's going pretty strong. And it's a miracle. If I can't kill it, no one can.
3 months. Okay, speaking of green
All
thumb.
right, so yeah, Adrian, so this next one, this is America's Farmers Market in a box. This is called the Farmer's Find, and you can experience all of those delicious small batch foods from farmers markets all across the U.S. delivered right to your front door. Now, it's a subscription service, so it starts at just 20 bucks a month, and you can receive all of these beautiful things from across the country. This is honey from California. These are nut butters from Pennsylvania, mustard and pretzels from Nebraska. This is perfect for the foodie lovers and those discovery junkies in your life. And what I love most is that the subscription is flexible. So whether it's you want to purchase it for 1 month or 12 months, whatever works for your budget, you are going to make someone so happy. And you can find this at thefarmersfind.com.
I love it. And then what about the person in your life who likes to cook and bake?
Exactly. Okay, first of all, these next three products are the best bang for your buck out there. They're all from Bed and Bath. It's for these last minute shoppers, and I love that you can purchase online, and then you can either pick them up at curbside or get same day delivery. This is for the home chef. Look at this beautiful set. It's their Cuisinart Pro Chef Classic Series. It's stainless steel. It's 11-piece set. It's a great deal at $179, and we all know those Bed Bath & Beyond coupons that we love. You can get this entire thing for just $134, and it's oven safe, freezer and dishwasher safe. I love it so much. It's a staple in anyone's home.
Wow, I'm keeping that. I'm keeping a note on that.
Exactly. And then we're moving on to those mixologists in our life. This is such an easy way to upgrade their bar cart with this 7-piece bar tool gift set from our table. You can enjoy all kinds of cocktails and drinks. And look, it's price friendly at just 24 bucks. And look how pretty this is. Enjoying cocktails during the holidays is one of my favorite things to do. Great gift, and it's available.
I love it. And then you have coffee lovers, right?
Yes, exactly. So this is for the coffee lovers in our life. This is Nespresso's Virtuo Next. Listen, why not have a little bit of cappuccinos and lattes right in the comfort of our own home? Again, this is priced at $179, and if you use those coupons, you know how much you can save over there. And also, Bed Bath & Beyond has a free welcomes reward program. So all of your purchases, you earn points. There's no exclusion, and it's just an easy way to shop. And there's something here for everyone.
Thank you so much, Christine Lusita. Just everything looks good. I've got my list here. I'm going to go shopping today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Happy holidays.
To you too. Merry Christmas.